Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you restaurant style dal fries recipe. It is very yummy and easy recipe. It goes very well with roti and rice. The consistency of dal is very important here. It should not be either thin or thick. Dal fry is usually prepared with arad dal or tur dal. You can also make it with masoor dal or moong dal to make this recipe. Now let's see the ingredients. Tur dal 1 cup, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger garlic, chopped coriander leaves, 1 big onion chopped, 2 big tomatoes chopped, 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of cumin coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili, whole red chili 3 to 4, turmeric, cumin seed, garam masala, green chilies chopped. Mustard oil, you can use any other oil too. Salt, soak the dal in water for at least half an hour. Boil the dal in a pressure cooker with water, salt and turmeric. Pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. Once the dal is cooked, then mash the dal with a spoon and keep aside. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add red chilies. Cumin seeds. Add finely chopped ginger garlic and fry it for some time. Add chopped onions. Saute well. Add chopped green chilies. Add salt. Add chopped tomatoes now. Mix well. Saute the tomatoes till it turns soft and mushy. Add all the dry masalas, garam masala, cumin coriander powder, turmeric, and mix well. Fry it until the oil starts leaving the masala. If the masalas are cooked properly, then only it will mix nicely in the dal. Add dal, simmer for 5 minutes till dal turns smooth and absorb flavors. Add coriander leaves, while the dal coming to a boil, we can start working on the tempering. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee in a tempering pan. I am using a ladle. Add red chilies. Turn off the flame once the ghee melts. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Transfer the dal into a serving bowl. Pour the tempering on the top of the dal. Enjoy the dal fry with rice or roti. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.